Hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. I just went out to my mailbox and had a couple little packages out there. So I figured while we're waiting on Derek's silver to dry out so we can get it weighed, we'll go ahead and do us a quick little mail call. So this first one is from Lakehousebeach, and I believe he said he was gonna see, I actually going to need scissors for this one. He's supposed to be sending me a little thing to cast for him. So, I believe this is it. Put that one up there for a minute. Okay. Put this back. And this is what he wants me to cast. Whoa, that went flying. So he wants me to make a little mold of this arrowhead and cast that arrowhead for him. So, let's see what he says. Oh, I got one of his new stickers. Cool. And I have no place to put any more stickers. I've got to get a sticker board made. Oh, lordy. Anyway, let me set this up here. Let's read his note. It says, "Hey, Dino. I just wanted to say thank you again for casting this arrowhead for me. I hope it will work out, but if need be, I can send you a different arrowhead if this one doesn't work. Let me know. Anyways, I also included a new channel sticker, which we just saw right here, which is very cool. Let's see. The arrowhead and a special one-of-a-kind gift for you that I never thought I would get rid of. But I am very thrilled to see this piece in your collection. Thank you for all you do, brother." Really, and it says your friend Lakehousebeach. Alright, so let's see. It says special gift. Alright, so let's see what this is. Says, "Remember when I went to my LCS and picked up this round, then made a video of the rainbow toning it with the little liver of sulfur? That is freaking awesome. Man, I know you love this thing. You didn't have to send this to me." I don't know if you guys can see the coloring on this thing, but I remember when he did the video, and the video does this thing absolutely no justice. The coloring on this, there's blues, greens, purples, almost kind of a mauve over in here in the shield. That is, brother, you did not have to send me this. This is awesome. And I mean, and it's your thing. It's your symbol. That is absolutely gorgeous. Well, my little bro, I really appreciate that. That is going into the perma-stack. It's not going anywhere, I can guarantee you that. So somebody will have to deal with this when I'm long gone. But yeah, the video did this no justice. The coloring on this is amazing. Well, my friend, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate that. You didn't have to send that. I mean, that's really too much. I will actually make a little video of making this guy for you. So I'll get on that just as soon as I can. I'm right in the middle of a refine, but I will get on it as quickly as I possibly can. And thanks again, brother. I really appreciate that. That is something else. And thanks for the new LHB sticker. And let's see, now let's get on to move to the next one. And this one is from Silver Madness. This is kind of a surprise thing, because I have absolutely no idea what this is. So we will snip the top off of it and see what we got here. That was actually kind of depressing. I didn't get to use my knife. You guys wrapped everything up too good for me to use my knife. Okay, so we have a note. MK bars. Dino, a small token of my appreciation. Here is my channel round number 13. Oh my goodness. Thank you for your support to my channel. Take care, my friend, Paul, Silver Madness. Are you kidding me? There's his stickers. Man, this is like Christmas. I got LHB sending me his prize piece. Silver Madness sending me a 13 for my collection. This is like just wow. You guys are just too much. This, I'll tell you what, this is one fantastic community. Oh, that is MK bars, Silver Madness number 13. Holy cow. Wow, buddy, I really thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That is just awesome. That is awesome. MK bars and bullion. Guaranteed to be at least $9.99. Ham Force of Investment Silver. Los Angeles, California. Limited edition number 13. Series Mintage 200. Silver Madness channel round. That is awesome. That, look at this, man. These, I'm telling you, that's what I mean. This is just an amazing community. Absolutely amazing. Guys, I appreciate this more than you'll know. LHB, you didn't have to send me this. I knew this is one of your prize pieces. Paul, I'm speechless. This will be another 13. I'll have to make another 13 video, buddy. This is awesome. I'm sorry this mail call's going on so long, guys, but I mean, you know, you just can't help it. I'm going to try and get this up a little closer so you guys can see it. And this one here, I mean, I really hope the color comes through on that, because you just can't imagine the colors in this thing. Guys, you are the best. I really appreciate this. Thanks so much. And everybody, we will see you all in the next video. I will have the links to these guys' channel down below in the description area. And I'll also put a card up in the top, you know, right. I think it goes right up here. But go check them out. If you're not subbed to them, I don't know how you can't be. But if you're not, go check these guys out. There's some great channels, some great content. We really appreciate it. Guys, I really appreciate this. I'm just speechless. Thanks so much. We'll catch you all in the next video.